In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make unlimited calls and texts for free from your iPhone or your iPad. And this is super simple to do, and it's only going to take you 1 minute to do so. In order to get started, just go over to your phone or your iPad and then open up the App Store. And then here, just search for an app called Text Now. And then go ahead and download this app right here, Text Now, Call plus Text Unlimited, and click download. Now, once you have the app downloaded, just go ahead and open it. And then here you want to sign up for a Text Now account, and I'm going to sign up with an email address. Here I'm going to enter my email and create a password, and then I'll click sign up. You can choose whether to save your password or not. I'm going to click not now. And then here you can select a phone number for free, so click get my free number. Now you can let the app use your location, which will automatically determine what area code your phone number will be, so go ahead and do that if you would like. And you can select whichever number that you like the best. I'm just going to click this one here and click continue, and continue again. And in order to make phone calls, you need to let the app access your microphone. So then at the very top, you have two buttons here. You have one for calling, one for texting. So if you click on the call button, you'll see a nice keypad here, and you can type in whichever number you want to call for free. So I'm going to type in my personal phone number here. I'm going to show you that it works, and I'm going to click call. And here you see I do have an incoming call from the number that I had just created. And then to create a text message, you would just click on the message button at the very top right here. And here you would enter the number that you would like to select. So I have entered my old phone number right here at the top, and I'm just going to click and type hey. And you can see I have an incoming text message. And now if I click on this message up here, I can create a reply to show you that incoming text messages work as well. And then going back to the app, you can see I have a message from my real text message as well. And you can easily text and call 100% for free, unlimited to United States and Canada using this app. And if you like this video, be sure to check out this video right here, which shows how to remove all advertisements from your iPhone. Peace.